Okay, good morning everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So I just got off the Carnival Mardi Gras. Debarkation was pretty easy. A lot of people waiting for sorry. A lot of people waiting for the elevator. So, you know, we had to get in line, wait for the elevator. That was a little bit hectic, but once we got off the elevator onto deck 6, we ended up, you know, walking out pretty quickly. Got out of there quick. Yeah, and it was really, really nice. But now I'm here with my niece who lives here in Winter Haven, Winter Haven, Florida. And she's a nail technician, and guess what? I'm gonna go get my nails done right now, so I'm gonna show you guys. This is her little shop. So cute. Look at this. Love it. And there's me. And there she is with her little desk. So cute. Ooh, they do pedicures here too. Very nice. Very cute. Love it. Alright, so here's my nails right now. No nails. And I always have nails on, but I waited until I got here so she could do my nails. And I don't know what she's going to do. She's going to surprise me. I'm excited. She's going to surprise me. So I'll show you guys when we're done. Alright, she's done. Look at how cute. I call them Easter nails because it's almost Easter. And look at how cute the little flower that she made. I don't know if you can see it. It's not in focus. But anyway, I love them. Look. And she did a great job. She's had her license since November. And she's doing wonderful. So if you guys are in the Winter Haven, did they say right? Florida area, come hit her up. It's Cita's Nails. And I don't know her phone number, but anyway, Cita's Nails. I'll put her info right here. And then if you're in the area, come check her out. She does really good job. Hello, good morning everyone. It's the next day. We didn't really do much after I got my nails done, so we just chilled at home. And I thought, well, I'll just film tomorrow when we go do something. We did go out to brunch this morning. And now we're going to go on a trail.
In 800 feet, turn left onto Osprey Heights Drive.
Sorry, my GPS is on. We're going to, let me hold my neck. We're going to go on a trail right now. It's a local trail, but in the pictures I seen a lot of wildlife, including alligators, so I'm not sure what we're going to see out there. We're just going to go on a walk and we're just going to go check it out and see if I film anything interesting for you guys. Alright, see you guys there. Yeah, it's a circle. Alright guys, we are at the Circle B Bar Preserve. And we're going to get ready for a nice little trail hike. Listen to that. What is that? Oh, so pretty. Alright, check this out you guys. We are on the trail now. We thought we were on the trail earlier, but we weren't. So now we are. Actually, no, the other one was a trail too, but they said that this trail right here is very, very nice. Okay, let's see. Shady Oak. 1 mile to marsh. Oh no, wait, 0.1 mile to marsh. 0.6 miles to the lake. That way. So we're going to go this way real quick first. And then we'll go to the other side. Look how gorgeous and green it is. Wow. So the trail that I wanted to do was about 4.8 miles. These ones are a little bit shorter, like a lot shorter. Alright, Lost Bridge, 1 mile to the center. 2.5 miles to the center that way. Tree Frog Trail, 2.5 miles straight. See, that's a trail right there. And then Shady Oak, 0.2 miles. Alright, so what are we going to do? What are we going to do? Let's see. Let's do a tree frog.
Tree frog?
You want to do that, or you want to stay on a wider trail? Alright, let's go this way. Look how beautiful. I love green. Look at that. All the trees. We're going to see if we see any wildlife. Circle B Bar Preserve. This is where we're at. Circle B Bar Preserve. Everything is just so moist. Yeah, huh? Yeah. We're like in a... Listen to that. We're like in a rainforest, seems like.
Would be scary from here at night.
At night would be very scary. Almost what that is right there. Big old nest of some sort. Trying to figure out what that noise is. And I'm looking at this tree and look at all the fern. Look at all the fern on it. I love ferns. Alright, we're gonna go walk through here. Hopefully we don't fall on our butt. Oh, there's two. Okay, well at least I could say I've seen some wildlife right here. Very cute. I love all the sounds too. Alright, so I was just talking I was talking to a couple right now that passed us by. You're gonna make me pee. I don't know what happened. Oh my god, it's so funny because we keep hearing noises and then the mosquitoes are coming out already and they're attacking us. Oh. Oh my gosh. Anyway, the gentleman told me that this loop that we're doing is about a 5.5–6 mile loop, which we're not going to do today because the mosquitoes are coming out already. Oh my gosh. So we're going to come up to this little area where we can either go left or right or go back the way we came. And so we're going to get there and see how much further it is to make a loop. So yeah, we'll show you guys. Ay, ay, ay. Florida is way different than California, let me tell you. But so gorgeous, so green and moist and just beautiful. Alright, so this is the entrance we got here. And now we're going to go walk on a wider trail, 1/2 mile or 2 miles. I don't know. We'll see how far we go. We might end it soon because we are getting eaten up by mosquitoes. There's a lot of them here. But this is just too pretty not to walk and see. Alright, so we were going to go back to the car, but then I seen there's more to see over here. There's a lake and probably more chance of seeing wildlife. So I told her it's up to her. If she wants to go, we can go. If not, we can go back. And she said whatever I want, so she left it up to me. So guess what? We're walking some more. I told her I love hiking. I love my trails. And this is just gorgeous. So the only wildlife that we saw was one squirrel, a bunch of dragonflies,
2 birds.
2 birds, and a heck of a lot of mosquitoes that are eating us up. So anyway, now, oh my goodness, we're going, there's a swamp on both sides of this trail, so we'll see what we see. I already found an alligator. Oh my gosh. Right there in the water. It's peeking at us. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there it is, right there. Right there, right around there. I hope you guys can see it.
I don't see it anymore. You say?
I seen it. No, I don't see it anymore. Oh,
Probably gonna come jump at us.
no. Right there, I see bubbles right there. Oh, that's a fish. Alright, I'm gonna zoom in, but there's a huge bird over there on a branch, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I thought it was an owl. There it is, right there. But it looks like it's just a big bird. Look at those trees, so beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to stop really quick just to tell you guys that we were told there's an alligator on the trail just a little bit ahead of us, so that's why I'm recording now, because I want to make sure that I keep my eyes open. But anyway, so we're going to show you that right now. Right there, you guys see it? Sticking his head out. Oh, there he goes, bye. Never mind. Check out this bird, you guys. It's huge. Wings are spread. Alright, we got another one. Right there. That's number 3, right? See that? 3. So far we've seen 3 crocodiles, 1 squirrel, a bunch of dragonflies, mosquitoes. What else? Oh, check this out. All right, let's get closer. Look at these big birds. Okay, let me scoot over this way. I heard a noise. And there's little duckies too. These guys are right on the trail with us. We're gonna pass them up. I don't want them to attack me. Got another little duck right there, and this beautiful white bird right here. Has something, oh my god, it has a little snake in his mouth, or a large turtle. Worm. See, it's a little snake. That worm cannot be that big.
That's a worm.
Are worms that big here? Oh gosh, look at his neck. He just extended his neck. I took my hat off because I was sweating way too much. So tomorrow we're gonna go do a little river tour, so that's gonna be interesting. It's about an hour long, and I don't know where they take us, but I'm pretty sure that we're gonna see more alligators somewhere, or they're gonna tell us, you know, where they're at and stuff. So that's tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have it on this vlog or if I'm just gonna make a separate vlog for that, but yeah, look out for that. I'll probably put it on this one. I'll just make this little visit to Florida a 3-day visit, because then on Tuesday I'm going to be flying out to Virginia to see my daughter again. Alright, so now we are hoping we see a turtle, not a snake, only a turtle. And they don't swim, and I could have sworn I seen one going in the water, but I guess I was wrong. It was something else that ran in the water. Now I hope I see a turtle. There's another beautiful bird. Alright, so we got a little lizard just chilling on the bench. There it is. Alright, that is a big alligator right there. You can't miss that one. And if you do, I'll have to buy a new camera, because that is a big boy right there. There's another one right there. It's probably like 7 of them that we've seen already. There's a baby alligator. Look at him, he's moving. There he is. Little baby one. Alright, we are done with our hike. It was so beautiful. The weather's just perfect. We got to see alligators. And yeah, so another little trail for my vlogs. So excited. It's so beautiful here. If you guys ever visit Winter Haven, if you guys ever visit Winter Haven, Florida, come and check this out. Alright, see you guys maybe tomorrow? I don't know, we'll see. There's an armadillo. Look at that. Why isn't this camera zooming fast enough? There it is. So cool.